So these are, what? Which one is taller? Yes, and which one is shorter? Which one is smaller? Yes, this one is smaller. So these go up here. Okay?
This pepper.
Yes, those are smaller. Put it in there. Got it? There you go. Say hey guys.
Hey guys.
Say hey guys.
Hey guys.
We're setting up Baby J's bottle rack.
Yes, the bottle.
Bottle rack. Put it in there. There you go. There you go. Good job. There you go. Put it in there. There you go. Yep.
More. More.
One more. Here. Put it in the hole. Good job. There. It's all fixed. Yeah, it's all fixed. See?
This.
Good job.
This.
This one is tall.
Talk.
Yep, that one's tall.
This.
That one is short.
This.
This one is short. This one is short. Tall. This one is short.
Whoa.
Tall and short.
Whoa.
Alright, so next we have to put this over here. Let's put this over here. Yeah, let's leave this one. Let's do the other one. Put that one right there. There we go. See? Want to do this one?
Yes.
Okay, let's do this one. We have to open this one.
Hey, baby, it's the life insurance, man.
Okay. You wanna go ahead and do it? I thought you said you had to wait for the baby to come.
Mommy, baby, how's your things?
Yeah. You open it? There you go.
How you doing, man?
You open it?
Hey, I'm proud of it.
There you go.
Crazy.
Pull it out. Pull it out. Pull it out.
Baby, are you doing anything? You doing anything? Lay down or something?
Here we go.
Oh, man.
There we go. Good job. Good job. Now we have to do
How you
this.
doing this cover with?
We need two of these. Yeah, probably. Right. Cause we got that. Let me just put that one together. I don't think we might can get this one together. Maybe we can get this one to 80. saying, you still don't need this though. This is where you clean your bottles. They dry. Put them on here.
Back, you know that.
I'm just saying, we got 2, so we can give it to you. Yeah, I think we just got it. I just put it. Alright, baby Jay. Let's go on that side. You gonna put it on that side? Okay, let's put it on that side. So you gotta get down. Yeah, move your chair. Oh yeah, push your chair over there. Wait, right there. Put it right there. Yep. You gotta get this foot up. There you go.
Yeah.
And right, so down, you have to put it right beside this. There you go. Yeah. Good job. You're a great helper. It's not supposed to come up.
But man, we taking your time out.
I don't have no more.
Okay.
There you go. Yeah, put it right here. Good job. Alright, so now we're all done. So you gotta get down. You're all done. You did it. High five. Yes. Alright, so we just finished putting together Baby Jagger's stuff. Ooh, that's crazy. Don't mind how I look right now. I got a headache. We gotta go to the hospital. Okay? What else we gotta do? I think that might be all for now. I'm gonna put this over here. So, yesterday, we didn't record anything, but we did accomplish a lot yesterday. I want to go show y'all, but it's cold outside and I don't have no shorts on. I mean, I have on shorts. So you guys, remember I told y'all that we had a surprise for you guys? This is the surprise. So this is our new car. Well, whatever. SUV, whatever you want to call it. This is our new car. Come here. I'm showing him our new car. You get in the back. You're supposed to get in the back seat. Come on, let's get in the back.
Mommy.
Why your daddy don't ever come? So yeah, this is our new car. Baby Dad likes it a lot. You like the car?
Yes.
Yes.
Hold on.
I can't turn it on. I don't know how to keep. Good morning. Good morning, guys. So today is Thursday. Doctor. Today's our last appointment. So we'll see what they're going to say today. I think I'm just going to do, they're going to listen to the baby heartbeat. I'm going to get some blood drawn. They're going to check my blood pressure because y'all know my blood pressure been a little high. So we're going to see what they're going to do today after all of that. And then they're going to give us a time for when we should report to the hospital tomorrow to have the baby. We're about to have a new addition, y'all. But yeah, we just woke up. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Well, 9 o'clock now, which is super early for us because we don't get up this early. But yeah, Yeah, so I'll turn this camera back on when we actually, I guess, get to the doctor and start doing stuff. So I'm back here at the NST, listening to the baby's heartbeat. Hi guys, I'm in the hospital. Did we just tell y'all we probably gonna have the baby today? They sent me to the hospital because my blood pressure was high. It was 171. Here's Jai.
Her blood pressure is 171. But nah, hopefully it's down now though. But that's because they done gave her all this. They done drug my wife up.
Yeah, I'm drugged up.
Now she down, but
Big.
what you want me to do? You said,
I
babe.
want to see too.
You know we can't do so much recording.
Why?
You're not allowed to record in here.
Why you can't?
I don't remember. They told me that last time.
No.
Excuse me, man. Are we allowed to record? See,
What?
that's the rule. They've been telling us that rule. Now she trying to act like they don't remember them telling us that we can't record, y'all. This is YouTube. It don't matter. It's YouTube. It's recording. But y'all see what's going on. Stay tuned. Pay attention, man. Stay tuned to what's going on. We gonna let y'all
We're probably
know.
gonna have a baby today. Sometime today. We don't know. Babe, I don't like this angle you keep giving me. Yeah, we're probably gonna have a baby today sometime. So we'll talk to you guys later. I just wanted to tell y'all what's going on.
She told y'all what's going on, y'all. It's pretty.
It's
Pretty. This is the way she. Hey, you guys. Here y'all. Y'all see what's going on. She about to have a baby. We gonna let y'all know the rest of the process if she's having today. Deuces.
I'm about to go back there.
Or say any.
All right, y'all. It's that time. Y'all remember last time I had this on. We had to welcome baby Jai. Now we want to welcome baby Jair. Yeah. So stay tuned. Be ready. Cause my lip fat, man. My toes fat. Pretty sure I'm gonna put these on my feet, but. Hey son, I hope everything going good back there, cause your dad can't wait to meet ya. Just, I'm back here waiting for them to prep your mom, make sure everything good. I'm gonna go back there and make sure you come when you supposed to come, son, cause it's about that time. What is this? It's about to be 7 o'clock. Everything good. It's going smooth. Everything it's copacetic right now. Put my music though. You come through for me. Yes, I believe in you, my provider.
I'm gonna wait till I get back.
The million ones? Which one? Oh yeah, I waited to play that one too. That's crazy.
I'm like wide awake. I'm so alert.
Alright, look. I got some stuff on your iPhone, but you ran out of storage. You ran out of storage on your iPhone. Jesus,
I was gonna say,
when everything is sweet like honey. This one here.
you gotta turn your brightness down so.
You want a picture? You want me to get in there and I'll take a picture of y'all?
Oh yeah, I would love that.
Tell me whenever
Yeah, I'm gonna. Oh, he finally started opening his eyes.
you...
He
Yeah.
didn't even open my eyes with me.
He's like, oh, I know that woman. That's not me. Yeah. You want to sit? I'll take a picture?
Yeah, in a second, hold on.
Whenever you're ready.
Yeah, I'm trying to see if he can
Cute baby.
get him.
So cute.
Son, that's mommy. That's mommy. Yeah. Go ahead.
Get out here now. You're no longer in there. You're with the. Yeah, that's nice.
Follow me. So remember, we're not trying to like overindulge with our pressure on the